Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope everyone is well. So in this video I'm going to demonstrate how you can set up the project directory and install Node to bring the Node modules into the project directory. So the first thing that I would do here is you have to go to the terminal. So if I go to the terminal, let me open up a new terminal. So if I open up a new terminal and write cd/opt homebrew etc httpd. So if I do an lsla, so there is an httpd.conf file. This is the httpd or Apache configuration file. So if I open up the configuration file with text editor, so as you can see, so if I go to the document root, which is this one, this document root basically tells me where the project or the web application projects are residing. So I have this my username, which is Saif Kamal, and then this custom size folder that I created. You can create any custom folders like websites, etc. And in this folder we are going to, or we have the project setup. So the project folder setup and the project directory setup. So if I go to the sites folder, for example, if I go to, let's say, let me clear this one up. So if I go to cd sites, and now if I do an lsla, so I have this folder. This is my project folder. So if I go to my project folder, so there is the entire project directory structure. So this is how you can identify or set up the project folder root. So this sites is where all my websites or web applications reside. So let me clear this one up. So now I'm going to show you how you can, if I go back to the data collection folder and do an lsla. So as you can see, there is a node modules. This is a very heavy file which has all the node modules there. Node is basically a system to run the server side of the Angular frontend. So you have to install the node modules. So in my item, I don't keep node modules because it's very heavy. So if I, for example, if I go to one of my projects, let's say this one, and go to the project, this is the project data collection. So as you can see, there are no node modules here. Node modules, there are node modules in this data collection. So there are no node modules folders here. So this folder is not included in the item. So you can bring the node modules, and I'll show you how you can bring the node modules. So if I go to the Google and type brew node, so it has the homebrew formula. So if I open the homebrew formula and copy this one, this is the formula brew install node, and open up the terminal, and let me clear this one up, or maybe I do it here. So if I run this command brew install node, this will install node and npm, the node package manager, in your macOS machine. So I already have the node and npm installed, so I'll show you how you can check the version. So if I go to node and write node v, this shows me the node version, which is 21.1.0. if I write npm v, this shows me the npm version, which is 10.2.0. I can also check which node. This gives me the binary path of node, and I can also run which npm, which gives me the binary path of npm. So I can also check the brew list. This gives me the list which has the node, for example this one node. So I have the nodes installed, and this is how you can check whether node is installed in your machine or not. So as you can see, in my data collection folder, in where I locally develop, I have the node modules. So you can bring the node. If you want to bring the node modules, you just have to, after installing node and npm, you can just run npm install and that's it. Or you can run npm I as well. So this will install all the necessary node modules within this folder. This will create a directory node modules and install the modules here. So you also have to do it in the Angular front end. So if I go to ang survey, this directory, so if I go to ang survey, which is the Angular survey for front end, so if I do an lsla, as you can see, there is also node modules here. So you can also run the same node modules or npm install command in this inside the ang survey folder as well. This will install node modules within this folder as well. So these are some of the project directory setup and node installation features that I wanted to highlight in this video. So thank you for watching.